Hey everyone, today is going to be a really exciting episode as we repair the gasket and the keel. So now we're going to be headed over to Noah's Marine.
You have reached your destination.
And I've loved this place for a really long time. They've helped me out with everything that I need, and we're just picking up some epoxy and some fiberglass.
Save the skin, so cut out a square piece and see how it is.
Right. Okay, so we got the epoxy here. We've got the fiberglass. We've got about 2 yards of some 10-ounce sheet, discs, 40 grit, and 80 grit. Okay, everyone, so the first thing we're gonna do is surface prep. So the first thing that we gotta do for that here is we've got our orbital sander and papers. We're gonna be starting with the 40 and then kind of, taking a pick at it and getting it to look good. Safety Inspector Bob here. Where's your PPE? And that's how I went from looking from this to this in 3 days before having to go to the hospital to get it fixed. So the next week, I bought some proper PPE from Princess Auto, and we got a mask, face masks, we've got protective gear, coveralls, everything needed for a proper and safe operation. Okay, everyone, so far, currently what we have is we've taken out the gasket, as you can see there, and I've been sanding at the back there, and my buddy Abner's been working on chiseling out the gasket.
The materials look good. I don't see any moisture, but a lot of the products that they used before to fix this in the past, I don't think were the right materials. They were kind of just very chalky, and they weren't really sealing anything anymore. It's good that those are gone. We're probably gonna try to use better materials next time.
Yeah.
But we found out that that gasket wasn't really doing a whole lot, and it was kind of just broken. At least now we know that what we can do next. And it's just add some good material, some good fresh material, and we should be pretty good.
Thank you so much, Abner, for that and for your help. All we have to do essentially is we're gonna fill the outside with 5200 to seal it, and then epoxy and filler, most likely 3M bubbles, on the inside to fill it up. We're not gonna worry about creating another gasket. We're gonna put that on as a side project for later, possibly CNC cutting it. And I just wanna say that this has been amazing so far. I've had a lot of help from all my friends and a lot of people really wanting to help out with this project. I just want to say how much that means to me. The fact that, the sailing community is here to help. So I just wanted to thank everyone for that. I will see you guys in the next video.